Hi folks, I just wanted to show you a DIY project that I did for a fishing trip coming up. I made a live well, or a bait well, either or. I took an old Coleman cooler that has seen much better days. As you can see, I used this one because of this. My dog got a hold of it and decided to make a bone out of it. And you can see I put a GoPro sticker on it to, a little bit of personality there. And I have this aquarium net, so that way if I'm fishing, if I'm fishing and I'm using minnows, I can scoop them up quick, and instead of trying to get them out of the water, get them out of the net a lot easier. But anyways, what I did was I saw this video on YouTube, and what you do is you can get this at Dick's Sporting Goods. I bought this Hush Bubbles. Now this doesn't have to run off your boat battery. This is a D battery pump, so you get a couple D batteries. Now something I didn't realize about this is when I bought it, I think it was about 25 or 26 bucks or something like that from Dick's Sporting Goods. When you buy it, it doesn't show this PVC line here. So if you buy it, it's inside. So when you open up to put the battery in, this already comes with it, and it comes with a good little bit. I had more than plenty for my application that I used it for. So just so you guys know. So what I did is I bought this bubble stone. Sorry, it's still kind of dirty in here, but I bought this bubble stone from Walmart. Now this was another YouTuber that I learned all of this from, fishing stuff. That guy is great. So if you haven't checked out his channel, check out Fishing Stuff. I love his ideas, and I got this idea from him. So what I did was this tube, this came with a little stone, but I wanted the big one like he had. So and it's on there. What I used was double-sided Gorilla Tape. I got that at Lowe's. I had a gift certificate, so I just got that at Lowe's. And put a little silicone here and a little silicone here, and there you go. You got yourself a live well for your boat. And I had the cooler. I mean, you can go to a flea market, pick up a cooler for 10 or 15 bucks. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can tell. See, mine's got a lot of personality on it. Chew marks. The Coleman sticker came off, so I like to film some of my action shots with GoPro cameras. I said, heck yeah. I had this little thing. I put some hooks there. Also, these coolers, for some reason, when they were made, they had those strap hinges on the back, and they fail like crazy. So what I did is I just put some of these bad boys on. And these work great, and I just made my own new holes. So, and I have another DIY to tell you guys about, which is actually really, really cool. It's about how to get more cooling time out of your cooler. And it has to deal with your lid. And it's really simple, but I need to make a video for that for you guys. Basically, all you do is drill a couple holes, because these are usually hollow, and get some expanding foam and fill this with expanding foam. And this thing, I did that with my other cooler and took it up north and spent the weekend at my buddy John's place, or it was about a 3-day weekend, and I still had a lot of ice. And that was an old Igloo cooler that I used. So yeah, I mean, I think, so you can see what I did to hang this, if you guys are wondering. I did like Fishing Stuff did. I just cut a slit here and pulled it out with a screwdriver and shoved, because it has a clip on the back, and I just shoved that clip, made it like a little pocket. I mean, it is just it's not supposed to be anything fancy, but it works. I put water in it, and it does work. So I guess I should probably show you guys, shouldn't I? Give me a second. Okay, so the purposes of this video, we have water just above the stone, just for the purposes to show you guys that this does indeed work. There's the switch. And there you go. And this is a perfect size if you're catching perch or crappie or bluegill. Fill her up. I don't know how many you can put in here, but hey, you know, it's a live well. So hopefully you guys like this one. Anyways, that's it for right now. You see the pot I brought the water out with. Got my stomach all soaking wet because I slopped it. So hope you guys appreciate what I did for you here. So anyways, God bless y'all, and God bless America, and everybody be safe out there.